It's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, easy key, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, driver and passenger front, seat-mounted and rear side impact airbags, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.